Well, that's a blooper. Oh yeah, I got it. Shake-a-curl style. Oh yeah. Woo! So if you don't explore, how can you find things like this in the middle of nowhere? You know, if you don't explore, life is gonna be boring and it's not gonna be magical. Like the fact that I found this here, for me, like it blows my mind, because there is nothing that I can jump here, but there is this. So this is an epic find, and this is like a wall that it's been a long time that was built, because there is nothing here. Like it's for nothing, but it was really well made for a specific purpose a long time ago. And you look around and you don't see why, but it served me today to have some fun, to jump, because that's the only place that I can jump. Snowshoeing, rock jumping, shake-a-curl style. Oh yeah. Hey, it's a small jump, but hey, there is nothing else to jump here. Well, a miracle happened. I found Chaga at the bottom of a tree on my way back. So my chisel, it's stuck in, and I want to grab the last piece of Chaga right there, but the thing, my handle pull off and I cannot. So this is gonna be like a memorabilia, yeah, like a souvenir, you know, of that I got the only Chaga in the entire place, and my things. Oh boy, yeah.